Hi guys, this is that round canvas that I sat in. I scraped as much paint off as I could, and this is what was left. So I'm gonna try to salvage it and do another open cup on it, except this time I'm gonna do a purple base. This is mostly the Dioxazine purple, except last week, I think I already posted the video, excuse me, I had mixed up, it's kind of like a, oh, what was it? It was like a blue-violet, some metallic. It was kind of like a little mix of a hodgepodge, and because it was mixed with Floetrol, and I had a bunch of extra, I just kind of tossed it in the same bottle with my Dioxazine purple. So this is sort of like a custom purple. And I thought it would kind of make a neat base. Still sort of galaxy-like. And still kind of give good coverage over the black. A little concerned about the light in here, but we'll see. The sun is like so bright over my windows. Oh, I hope you can see that. Oh man. I'm gonna take you down for a close-up, because if, oh, you know what? Hey. uh, if you weren't able to see that the whole time, you know, I'm learning. Not only do I learn about painting, I learn about, you know, this whole camera thing. I am so sorry if you missed most of this in the video. I'll probably edit out the spots that were really dark, so this may not be a very long video, but wow. So this is an old, not an old, this is actually a plastic cake stand that, it's a plastic Lazy Susan that I had on hand when I started painting, and I just started using it as a Lazy Susan for painting, and it's not the best, and it does not spin very well. So because it wasn't spinning very well, I decided to just kind of tilt. And I'm glad I did, because this is gorgeous. Now, I'm hoping that because of the paint underneath that I don't get any cracking. I tried not to put a ton of paint on top. But yeah, I really like how it came out. So stay tuned to see how it dried. Well, the surface came out a little rough, but you know what? I love how this came out. I'm going to take you in for a little bit of a closer look. I think it just looks like an ethereal planet. Just these awesome little cells. These lines up here. This little gold popping through. I'm glad I did the purple base. I think that just kind of made a really, I don't know, just made it that little bit different. Love it. So thanks for watching. Thanks for putting up with my lighting. And see you next time. Bye.